are you saying?
Oh yeah, iwanan pala yung car mo. Kahit gusto mo kumanta ako para meron ka.
Wala naman isang kundiman.
We're crossing the bridge.
Almost.
Almost.
Last exit,
What's the name of the bridge?
Makina. Makina, ganun pronunciation eh. Makina. Ito Makinao City, may W sa dulo. Makinao City.
There's a winner. Well, I mean, yeah.
Bilang nakunan. Hotdog.
Yan na yung bridge.
It's humongous.
Oh, and
Anong
then,
Jerry? Anong gusto mong gawin? Isalita ka ng salita na. Ang daming what? Cones? Yeah, it's under construction.
so
only one way.
Body of water is
One lane.
one lane only. So ito ang Michigan.
So Lake Michigan will be on your left. The dividing line is the bridge. This is Lake Huron.
Lake Huron.
And nasa right,
And then on the left is
Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan. Ito yung
Pag binaybay mo yan, punta ka na Chicago.
Ito na yan, dulo ng
By boat, mga
Lake Michigan from
8 hours by boat.
kabilang dulo is Chicago.
Ito pag ginagay mo, Detroit.
Ito fresh water yan.
Yeah, fresh water. Kaya I read Jezebel dyan. Gusto yung Jezebel maalat.
Of course.
Lumikas.
Yeah.
Para fresh.
Aren't you more tama ba? More buoyant? More buoyant pa or less?
More buoyant pag salt.
Yeah. Kaya gusto mo sa salt. Because you're more buoyant. Diyan, lubog ka na agad. Lalo na ako ba ito? Lubog na ako.
Doon ang Makina Island. Nakita niyo yung white,
Like,
yung mahabang white sa left side. Yun ang Makina, yun ang Grand Hotel.
Oh,
ako,
Grand
ako
Hotel.
ngayon lang nakarating ka na dyan. This is your third time.
Grabe, ang daming tubig ano?
Hindi kami matutuyuan dito. Hindi kaya sa Nevada. Ako, naubos ang Lake Mead.
O sama doon yung kwan ng San Diego.
Yeah. Bumaba ng bumaba.
Oo, taas na natin ah. Nosebleed na.
Speed limit 35 na lang. Dati 45 to. Pagbukas pa rin yung lane.
Oo.
But they're ano ba they're doing?
So at the end, anong island yan?
Yan ang Upper Peninsula of Michigan.
Upper Peninsula. So hindi siya as popular as Mackinac.
Oh, malaki yan. Maraming they want to become another state.
Ang ganda ng bridge.
Yung Upper Peninsula, dating part ng Wisconsin yan. It used to be part of Wisconsin territory. Ang Michigan, ginibap niya yung Toledo, Ohio. Ewan ko nakuha ng Wisconsin. Keso.
Yeah. Dinadayo. Yung cheese? Wisconsin cheese?
Two-way traffic.
Ano kaya yung temperature ng water? Parang isang
Surface temperature is 45 degrees. So that will be about 20 degrees or less.
Kasi nabukas. At least init po.
Haba rin, 5 miles?
Almost 5 miles.
Almost 5 miles.
28 feet short of 5 miles.
Pag bandang July na, August.
Yan, oo. Pag yan, ganda, oo. Tama lang.
Suspension bridge.
Kasi din here, ay, Sunday. Kaya Sunday ko, ikaw na yung Sunday, and rent a car, and then drive to okay lang.
That's about 12 hours.
Whoa.
Kasi, ito mag-aras ka ng 10.
It's
Isang
flying.
at 1 o'clock.
Yeah, right. So it's flying in.
And then,
Tomorrow, the same flight. Ano, kahit naman, ano ba siya? Washing my clothes.
mga 2 o'clock na dating ng
Tapos na ang reunion by Sunday.
Hanggang ano, Monday morning. Kailan tayo uwi ng Pilipinas para makapag- February. tayong apat.
ano.
February, sabi
Gusto
ko,
ko
diba?
sabay tayo ng flight. Ayoko mag-fly
Hindi
mag-isa.
pwede sasama sa iyo.
Hindi mahilig umuyan. Gusto mo ba sumama ka?
Tapos, libre ko na yaya.
So, Boyan, bakit doon ibang color ng water? So that is that shallow?
Birding eh.
Isn't it shallow right there?
Yeah,
That's
sa
there.
ako niyan, sandbar.
Sandbar, yeah, right?
Water is clear.
Yeah. Parang pakiramdam ko si Jezebel. Ayaw nga pala ni Jezebel na ano.
Nang matabang.
Water.
Michigan Welcome Center.
Parang may nag-fishing ba? No?
Saan?
Siguro sa mga duck na ganyan, may mga...
Ayan, may duck. Alright. Water fowl.
Yeah. I can't
But-
remember. Oh. Yeah, pero hindi yun regular na niluluto sa bahay. I guess we had a guest that cooked it.
Hello. Thank you. Why is it suddenly 45 degrees? When we look, it was 60 degrees. Now it's 45 degrees.
Sometimes 60 up here, but why?
Have a good one. Take care.
Thank you. It's the police.
Is it probably?
Right there.
Makikikot na lang tayo dyan. Babalik na tayo. Dahil nakaharang naman si Kuya. Baka huliin pa ako.
Baka huliin ka pa niyan.
Talagang tayo magtagal.
Yung kanina?
Ano yun?
Kanina
Ano yun?
video.
Oh, okay.
Hello. Nice hair. You too.
Thank you.
thanks. Naasim?
Oh, you want gum?
Anong gam mo?
Sour. Ano?
Yan, mas maganda kuha mo ngayon dahil wala tayong truck sa harap. Kanina may truck sa harap eh.
Okay.
May busat.
Anybody want gum?
Ito. Ito makakakita ng blue sky and emerald sea. And
Lake Michigan and Lake Huron.
Oh, so yung right is Lake Michigan.
Mhm.
Right there
Ito.
is Lake Michigan.
To the west is Lake Michigan. To the right is Lake Huron. Same body of water, different names.
Okay. It's the Mackinac Island.
So, ano pa yung part ng
Ah,
Great
bridge.
Lakes?
Lake Superior.
At saka,
So another 60 miles per minute, Lake Superior na.
may isa pa.
Karoon tayong oras.
Hindi,
Ontario.
Di ba Erie?
May Ontario, may Erie. Di ba yan?
No, I think it's Erie. Yeah, there.
Nandun dapat ako ngayon, Lake Erie.
Nagbabirding.
How often do you do that?
Beer.
But how many, okay, the question is how many times a year?
Just the one weekend.
To your left will be Mackinac Island. Every Labor Day, the governor walks the bridge with lots and lots of people.
So 5 miles? You would walk 5 miles?
10 miles.
10 miles
Back and
kasi
forth,
back and
di ba?
forth?
Hindi naman back and forth, one way lang.
One way lang.
Tapos mag-hitch pabalik.
Yung sasakyan na sa other side. They either get passed in and then they walk. Some people do one way. Pagdating ng midpoint, babalik na sila. They can claim that they did the whole bridge. Ayaw kasi sila magbayad ng parking, ng toll.
But there's no U-turn in the middle of the bridge.
Nope,
So they closed the bridge.
they close the bridge for 6 hours. Pero sasakyan natin yung mga boat na yan sa gilid.
Yung ferry?
This is the Yellow Bridge, not the Golden Gate Bridge.
It takes them a year to paint this. So, nagsimula mag-paint sa north, tapos sa south, simula pa sa south, sa north
For painting.
for painting. Makable. May elevator yan sa loob pero wala pa akong chance na makakakit sa tuktok na yun.
I wouldn't. Go up there.
So are those rebars or just they just put that for now for repair?
Alin?
Yung, because it looks like they're steel.
So ito ang kwan, ito yung may concrete tsaka merong tawag dito.
Girders? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman buong kwan eh. 3/4 lang siguro
Oo.
ang grades ang ayaw maglalagay ng mga tao sa metal na yan dahil para sila Marilyn Monroe, umiipang hangin pataas.
Oh, so butas yan?
Butas yan.
Wow.
Mga nag-resurface. Tapos na.
Ito ba ang midpoint? Itong may parang rest area or no?
Oh, hindi. Ang midpoint eh, nandun sa gitna ng sa pagitan ng dalawang
Span.
pillar. Yeah.
Ay, pillar.
Okay na
walleye, perch, bluegill, trout.
Pag winter, masarap daw yung fish na hot kasi
Okay.
Malamig.
yung fish yata ibang kimpain eh.
Pag summer, maraming view out. Out.
So, ice fishing, there's people who do ice fishing and they eat the fish. They like the fish.
So Jenny told one of her patients that, you go fishing, we go birding. What? You eat the birds?
Kala nila we go begging. Touch the bird.
Kuna dito, parang shallow lang yung water.
Yeah, may time na ang kwan, ang yellow dyan, kulay blue. There's a certain phenomenon wherein there's a lot more air in the snow and it looks blue.
Kasi
Nakita namin one time pa lang.
this is gonna be all ice in the
Uh-huh.
winter.
Ito, the lake?
Yep.
Oh, because it's shallow?
No, because it's so cold. In order to go to the island, you have to follow the Christmas trees. They put Christmas trees to connect the...
They do
Ayan o, so clear the water.
snow.
Parang sa baligo.
Yung Christmas tree ang guide mo kung safe ka man tumawid. Pag Christmas tree upright, it's mataas pa ang kwan, mataas pa ang
Malalim pa yung tubig.
malalim pa yung baka makapal pa ang ice.
Oh.
Pag nagtitilt na yung snow, huwag ka na tumawid.
Yung tree.
Kasi nag-melt na yung snow. Ay, yung
Manipis
ice.
na. There's a chance for you to fall through.
Snow.
Bukas sa ba si Daros? Bukas sa si Daros ah.